nowadays everyone want to freedom. Everyone wants freedom. Um, um, my our country is freedom in 1947 on 15 August.
Hmm.
A,
Ma-
a,
Ma'am, what is next question?
আমি বলতে চাই একটু ভাবতে হবে। Good evening, ma'am. No, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am? I am good.
Freedom is one of the important right we have. Uh, freedom gives us a right to go anywhere, do anything. In freedom, there is no foundation to do anything. Anything. Nobody he interrupt you in your life. Not like a set discipline. Well, I said I am a disciplined girl.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Good evening,
Ma'am.
everyone. Thank you so much for ma'am giving this topic. Yeah, my point of view, ma'am, freedom, oh, which topic, ma'am? Like not freedom, discipline. Yes. Discipline. Yes, ma'am. Discipline most important in our daily life, ma'am. We should follow the discipline. We should follow rules compulsorily. Now I am talking about like youth, any children's. So they all follow the rules and wake up early in the morning, and we should studies and timetable we should studies, and that the one discipline. They are don't watch the mobile too much. So that is one of the like nowadays students, all are students more than watching studies, ma'am, only mobile. So that is not a like discipline. So sometimes elders, our elders talk to our elders in respectfully. That is also one of the discipline, ma'am. Like nowadays people don't follow that rules, ma'am. Follow and don't respect to others, and we should follow that time discipline, how to talk to with your teacher, how to talk to with your parents, how to talk to with your elders, everyone just anytime just you follow the discipline must and should, ma'am. As a parent we also like instruction to and teach to our children's anytime just you foster better, you don't do like this way, you don't, this is the good for you, this is the bad for you, like we tell the teach our children's also, ma'am. Yeah, that is, yes, ma'am. That is the discipline. We should follow everyone, not only children's, ma'am. We follow everyone. Elders is also follow this discipline. Some ladies, like I'm talking about working women, so whatever homemakers, they for 24 hours, 4 hours is by 7, just like they are watching the mobile. They are not follow, don't care their children's. So that is not good way. That time just you spend the time with your childrens, so automatically that is the one of the discipline, and just we maintain our discipline, ma'am. Just yeah, we change our like daily routine, anything that is the discipline, my point. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I tried. I like summer season. Um, Summer is best season. Some, some, um, um, summers, um, I do in the holidays like okay. No.
ম্যাম আমি চেষ্টা করছি। Summer is the hottest season. This season every school is holidays. We get holidays summer season, and and night was very short. Day is very long and sunny. Day is longer than night. আচ্ছা, summer season we can variety food, mango, pineapple, uh, etc. We love this food. And summer season we can swimming, mm, we can do swimming and others. And summer season uh, we can play indoor game. We can play indoor game and etc. আর পারছি না।
Good evening, ma'am. Summer season is a very good season. It has many merits and demerits. It has it has variety of fruits are there, like mango, watermelon, pineapple. We love these fruits very much, and we enjoy these fruits, and children also like very much. And in lunchtime and dinner time, we want mango in lunch and dinner, and compulsory there is mango. So children come to eat, take lunch very fastly. So, and uh, in summer season we cannot go outside in during afternoon because very hot that time, and in evening we can go outside for um, but afternoon we cannot go. um, we we can do swimming, and for we can go outside for at evening for walking, for evening walk. um, um, but in very hot, we feel very hot in summer season. So many school, so in schools there is a summer holidays, so all children are stay at home. Yeah.
Ma'am, I write in summer.
मैम बोलबो
मैम बोलना क्या है? समन क्या
मैम
होता है
बोलबो
मैम?
the summer season is very hottest season of the year.
May I
Uh,
say that?
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। This season start in April and ends in June. This season, many fruit in this mangoes, orange, lychees, watermelon, pineapple, jackfruit, etc. The summer season enjoyfully. Children play many outdoor and indoor games. The children চিলড্রেন ম্যাম স্কুলগুলো ছুটি থাকে কি বলবো? Children got summer holiday. Student got some summer holidays in the during in the schools. We are like to tasty ice cream. We like to eat tasty ice cream during summer. We like to eat tasty ice cream in this season.
ম্যাম আমি বলতে পারি? ম্যাম বলতে পারি? ম্যাম মানে one of the six season of the year, after spring and before autumn. Summer is the warmest season of the year. This in summer is start April and to end April, June. In summer season, variety fruits, mango, watermelon,